Go.
What's up? Okay, we're doing a
Cruiser bike check.
no.
That's me!
No, we're doing a trace bike check. Look here. Uno, uno,
Mine!
dos,
It's mine.
dos, three.
Look at those ODI long necks. Starting at the top, ODI long necks.
They're not.
We got a Shadow Conspiracy Ravager stem.
Top
Very
load.
nice.
Top load.
Top
I don't
load.
really know what they're saying.
We got some Eastern bars.
Yeah.
Chrome.
Yeah.
You shouldn't be proud of that. Those are shitty. We got an Eastern Shadow Ravager. Yeah. We got a Shadow Reflector.
No, Eastern reflector.
We got Alienation rims, chrome front and back.
We got Kenza white wall tires.
Kendo white walls.
Oh crap! I'm bleeding.
ODI.
Yeah.
Dude, look at this.
I've noticed
snap.
that.
I didn't know that.
He crashes a lot. Okay.
Because I'm clumsy.
We got
Why are you
Odyssey
bleeding?
tweet.
Don't even know.
teeth.
That's why.
We got Odyssey
Oh,
twisted
it's like up on
pedals.
there.
We got a Colt.
Colt 410. Colt 410.
We got a
chain.
Shadow interlock chain.
Interlock
Very
two.
nice.
Look how big it is.
We got a Shadow Crow seat.
Look how big it is.
Make out with that. And we got a Odyssey Mr. Clampy 2. Clamp.
We got an Haro SD frame.
Look at that.
It's a beast.
It's a baby girl.
Oh shit.
She calls
And-
her baby girl.
Sorry, I almost fell.
We're done with that.
Katrina
Cruiser.
Katrina calls her
Cruiser BMX.
Katrina calls her bike baby girl.
No, I don't.
Okay, starting with.
No, go.
Okay, we're gonna do my bike. This is serious talk, son.
Yeah, I know.
Look at the brake.
Yeah.
It's not serious talk.
The brake's messed up. It's all shitty up.
I don't think it's serious talk if the brake.
Okay, starting with the pedals, I got Black Label pedals, clear, $20 each. You shut up, card biscuit. We got Haro stock cranks,
No need to replace them if they're not broken.
Alienation back room with an
PBR.
with Haro hub and a
PBR
Haro
rims.
front hub. Got an Alienation rim with a bullet valve cap front and back.
PBR rim.
Would you shut up?
That's what it is.
We got a Haro front hub, Haro X3 frame, animal jump off black stem.
Show the animal.
And
we got stock Haro bars. He's gonna replace.
Oh yeah,
those soon.
long necks.
And we got
Tektro brake with an Odyssey cable.
got Fit FAF tires. These are beasts.
White walls.
And a stock
Shadow Crow seat
Haro
with an
seat clamp
animal seat post.
and a Haro seat clamp.
KMC chain.
Stock Haro sprocket.
And
And we got a Haro fork.
well. Okay, now we're gonna go to Chain's bike.
Let me get the camera for this one.
It's a GoPro.
It's a huge difference. Okay, my bike. I got Colt. Colt. I was about to say Colt leader bars. I got Cardinal bars. They're 8.5 rise and 28 wide. Kind of wide. I like them. Got everything. Brake is Trek Pro. We got Kenda tires. These suck. Popped another time. Yay! Congratulations.
Kenda can suck my ass.
We got a Haro stock sprocket, not broke.
until you broke my brake.
No, I didn't. Got a stock Haro sprocket. No need to replace it.
Piece of shit.
Not broken. Haro plastic. Haro recycled pedals.
That piece of shit.
Haro cranks. KFC chain. Haro 300.1 frame. Odyssey senior pivotal. Haro seat post.
I'm bleeding on this four-wheeler.
Oh my gosh, those are my friends. If you were wondering. Haro seat clamp. Yep, those are my friends. I know, right? And Haro fork.
Odyssey boner.
And I got some new. Oh wait. I'm jumping all over the place with this. ODI long necks. ODI bar. My friends are. And I got a Haro fork. Cane Creek headset. Those are top of the line. Shadow Conspiracy. Shadow Conspiracy Strike top load stem. And I got Primo Binary light pegs. These are pretty good. Grinded a little bit. And I got an Alienation PBR rim.
Hell yeah.
I'm sorry that my friends are retarded.